Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about F1 TV and how to use it. Let's get started. F1 TV is Formula One official streaming app. You can watch live races, replays, exclusive onboard camera, and even listen to team radio in real time. Now let's move to how to use it. First, to get started, you need to go to the App Store and install your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store. Tap on the search bar and type F1 TV. Then after this icon pops up, tap on that and then you'll have the install button right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. After opening up your app, sign up with the email, choose a plan and then make your payment. You can also sign up on their website using formula1.com. So once logged in, here's how you can use it. The home screen shows featured races and highlights. Just scroll it down, or you can search at the top right bottom here. You can search anything you like. Then you can also use the schedule tab to find upcoming races. Click on a session, practice qualifying or race to watch it live or as a replay. You can also choose between main broadcast, onboard cameras or timing screens. And if you want deeper stats, open live timing to see the strategy, sector data and more. You can also watch on your TV using Apple TV, Roku, Fire Stick or Chromecast. Just download the F1 TV app on your device and then sign in and enjoy the race on the big screen. That is all about F1 TV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.